Welcome to Rob's Rapid EV Charger Reviews. This time we're in Nyngan, officially in the outback, the great outback apparently. And here we have two NRMA Tritium DC fast chargers, 75 kilowatts. Now, the 75 kilowatt thing is a bit of a misnomer. It is capable of a total of 75 kilowatts, but it will only deliver 50 kilowatts to one car. Now, if somebody else plugs into this, they'll get 25 kilowatts, they're just 75. But if only one car's using it, you're only going to get a total of 50 kilowatts, that's it. 2 units, so that's pretty good. Redundancy, I guess, even though these aren't known for being reliable at this stage in time. But yes, let me go through the list. Okay, location. It's not near the main highway. You actually got to come off the main highway through town over the railway line to find it. It's actually quite easy to find. The maps take you pretty much right to it, which is good. They have the main shopping centre literally right here on this block, so that's a bonus. So location, right middle of town, pretty good. Get about an 8 out of 10 for that. Food, well, yes, sort of. Right there's an IGA supermarket. Obviously there's food there. You've got the main street here with cafes and all those normal shops you find there. Out of hours though, I doubt there'll be any food here, so bring food if you're coming here out of business hours. Remember, it is a country town, Nyngan. Those hours aren't the same as any city charger. 24-hour access, yes. No gates, just drive on in. 24-hour access, not a problem there, so that's a good thing. Kid friendly, well, I wouldn't say so. It is quite literally in a car park next to a supermarket. So I can't see anything around that the kids would like to, have some fun in. The gravel pit, and that's about it. But yeah, and I wouldn't say it's kid friendly. Shelter. Well, sort of, yes. You've got the shelter under the cover of the car park there. You've also got some trees here, so that's about it. Otherwise, no, not really. So shelter's 5 out of 10 for that. Phone coverage, I don't know, but I got 4 bars, I'm assuming 4G here, so phone coverage, yes. We are using Starlink at the moment, so that sort of makes that one null and void. Ease of finding, again, very easy. 9 out of 10 for that. It's actually got lighting too, so that's a good thing. It's quite well lit. Or it's got one light there, so better than nothing. Bins, which is something I forgot in the last 2 reviews. None. I can't see any bins around, though in the supermarket there might be, in the main street there might be something down there, or business might have a bin out somewhere around here, but no bins in the local area. And toilets, again, nothing obvious. Nothing nearby, except maybe inside the supermarket, that's it. So that's a no for toilets. So because it has a no toilets, not much for kids, though it is easy to find, I give one probably, I have to give it a 7 because it's in middle of town and it is 2 DC fast chargers on the edge of the outback, so that's always a good thing. So thanks NRMA for having installed these chargers so we can continue road trips like this one out to Broken Hill and Perth. So yes, thanks you for watching this review, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.